disable save in chat option in Snapchat. Hello everyone, welcome to this channel. I'm Emily and I'm here to help you out today. So without any delay, let's get started. Now, first of all, open up your Snapchat application and make sure that it is updated to its latest version. Then tap on your profile at the top left corner, or either you can just go to your chats. Then here you can just choose on any chat that you want to disable the save in chat option. So here I'm just going to tap on this chat. Now go to their profile, and here you can see the three dotted lines at the top right corner of the screen. So just tap on that and then tap on chat and notification settings over here. So here you can see the option of delete chat. Just tap on delete chats, and here you can see that two options to disable the save in chat option, either after viewing or after 24 hours after viewing. So you can choose any one. So right now I have chosen 24 hours after viewing, and after 24 hours of viewing they cannot have the option of saving your chats. So that's it. Thank you so much for watching this video. If you enjoyed it, don't forget to like, subscribe and hit the bell notification for more updates. That's it for today, and see you next time.